Okay, I think, sorry, the audio's a little low, no? Maybe, Laksan, can you project a little bit, please? Thank you.
So as we saw in the day, you're approaching your 30th anniversary this year. So at this stage in your career, how do you approach your craft and your acting? Approach your craft and your acting work. Your craft and your acting work.
Oh, my craft. How do I approach my craft? Well, at least now, I think I'm at a point where I get to choose the projects that I would like to engage in because, of course, when I engage in this project, it means time away from my family. So, dapat worth it talaga siya. And so far, since first film ko since the pandemic, yung The Loved One. So, it was so nice to come back. I think parang meron talagang hinahanap talaga ng katawan ko na umarte ulit. So, yeah, I mean, I feel as an actress, it's also a never-ending process. You're a never-ending work in progress. Kaya, I took classes again, nag-prepare ako for it. So, yeah.
And then lastly, we see from your role, like in Bibles, even with The Loved One, there's like an angle of empowerment to the characters you portray.
It's definitely, yeah.
Yeah, so with that, what does like empowerment mean to you when it comes to the movies that you want to do?
I don't want to just box it into strong female characters. But so far, parang ganun yung nangyayari. It's a lot of like very strong female leads. But I will box myself into that. But it just goes to show that even the roles that I choose now, hindi siya necessarily lagi love story, lagi siya ganun. Like it's really all different genres.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's listen to Kiko Escuadro from Radar PH.
Hello po. Hi. Congratulations. Natanong na po lahat. 5 question na lang. Mahirap bang i-maintain yung pagiging Diyosa?
Sa pagsapit ng dilim. Basta maging masaya lang. Yun lang yung kahit stress ka, don't dwell on it too long. Nox, taray. Ganun ba? I don't know. I mean, actually nakakatawa kasi Pride Month, di ba? So lumalabas na ngayon yung mga nagtatag sa akin na maraming salamat for being my gay awakening dahil sa Diyosa nga daw. So, I'm just so happy that projects like that have inspired also those from the community to realize their gay awakening. But paano siya i-maintain? Hindi ko alam. Siguro maging masaya ka lang. Diba? Huwag kang mag-transform into anything nega. Stay positive.
Kanina na-mention ko rin kanina na when it comes to project, medyo nagiging selective ka na. May time ba na may mga projects ka na hindi mo talaga kailangan, hindi mo talaga matanggap kasi hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo?
Meron din. But the great thing is, that's why pitching happens. So even before they start to write the script, masasabi mo naman na parang, oh, baka this isn't for me. Yeah. Meron naman.
Last na lang, may mga time ba na nararamdaman mong I'm not beautiful, not my day today?
Oo naman, today.
Paano mo i-handle yun?
Wala, tao lang naman din tayo lahat. We're all human, no? But like, of course, there are mornings na lalo na pagpuyat. Meron pa akong prosthetics dito and everything. You just look at your like, this is not my day, but that's okay. Ganun naman tayo lahat eh. Bawi na lang tomorrow.
Okay, maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We are halfway through.